G'day legends. Okay, so COVID-19's hit the world pretty hard. The kind of world seems like it's fallen to bits right now. And sometimes you probably feel a bit guilty, but not having graduation ceremony is definitely going to have an impact. It's not going to make you feel positive. Now, these have been cancelled across the world and people are doing all different kinds of things. So as designers, our role is to turn challenges into opportunities. So today we're going to turn the challenge of creating a graduation ceremony into an opportunity of creating the best damn ceremony we can. The first thing we need to discuss when making our graduation outfit is what kind of tools we'll need. So let me run through them real quick. First, you're going to need some cardboard. Now, look, if you're anything like me, you've been buying a bunch of stuff online. So grab yourself a box. There's plenty of boxes available. Any different box you want. Lots of different boxes. You'll need a few different sizes. Okay, secondly, you will need your paper scissors. Nice big blade. You will need your pattern master or a ruler of any kind. Pattern master. Mechanical pencil. Regular pencil's fine. Pen's okay. I like to use a blade, your choice. I'm going to use a blade, I'm going to use a cutting mat. So you need both those things. And you'll need some kind of string, shoelace, wool, ladies' choice. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make the mortar board, a bit on top. So think about this. How big could it be? So there's a couple of little handy hints for you. You might try, where am I looking? This is an A4 size cutting mat, so you might try just making a square out of a cutting mat. We're fashion designers, we're a bit more precise than that. So I would suggest making a square with your pattern master. So rule a 30 by 30 centimeter square. Okay, so the next bit we're going to do is our band. Now I've created a band that is 8 centimeters, okay, with a 2 centimeter seam allowance. What we need to look at is how to create your tassel. Tassel is very important. So if you're using a piece of string like me, here's all I've done. Okay, take my hands, wrap it around my hands a million times until it gets like a nice amount, and then tie a string around, bend it in half, tie a string on top, tie a string around to bind it, snip all the loops, got yourself a lower end tassel. Well, okay. So I've made one. Did it work? Let's do some reflection. Well, there's a few gaps, and a few gaps. So maybe I need to make this a bit softer. Maybe I need to change the shape, but we're pretty good. Now here's the thing. This is a basic one. You don't want a basic one. You want to jazz this bad boy up. This one's for all the Aussie exchange students. Or you can make it whatever you want.